look at how to password protect or lock a section. So we're in one of the journals that I make, and we're on the cover page. Now, this is a journal where you would write, important things about yourself. You answer these questions. I prefer to handwrite on an iPad. You might want to type here, down here, typing and all the things. And of course, you'd make that colour a lot darker instead of being orange. So, yes, it's that sort of a journal. Now, if you wanted certain information to be kept to yourself, all right, what you would do is you would tap on this section, trusting yourself. I do a 2-finger tap, or you would do a right click. And there are many things you can do with a section, which we can go through what you can do with this section in another video. But today in this video, we are just going to we're going to lock, password protect this section. So we come down to the bottom here to password protection, and we say protect this section. Now it's going to ask for a password and for you to verify that password. So I am going to type in my password, press tab. I'm going to type it in again. It's going to check that they're exactly the same. And if they are, I'm now going to click set password, give it a second. And you can see over here, you can see there's a padlock that isn't locked. Now, if I click on it, it will lock. And when I click on that section, nothing can be seen. Absolutely nothing. Until I type in, let's not open it up just yet. Let's press cancel. If we go to the self-awareness, 7 days of self-awareness journaling, you can see that. If we go to getting quiet, you can see those 7 days, all those days there. But when you go back to trusting yourself, you can't see anything until I type in the password. You can use the fingerprint facility if you have it. Press unlock, and then you can see it's unlocked. Now let's just say we want to password protect this section as well. Let's protect this section. Let's set the same password just because it's easier to remember. And let's press the button, and then you see these two. Now what you can do once you've set, you can't do the whole lot at once, you have to do them individually. Which sections you want to password protect, you have to assign protection. 2-finger tap or right click, you have to password protect the section that you want. Now if you're here and then you want to actually lock everything, when you select lock all protected sections, it's actually going to lock the 2 that you've already assigned passwords to. And again, we can go here and we can see what's there. We can come here, we cannot see anything. So we cancel that, we come here, we still cannot see anything. Cancel that, come here, and then we can see everything again. That's all good. So now that we've shown you how to password protect something, let's remove the password protection. So first of all, I'm going to unlock it so that it's available for us to, and now I've tapped on this one, I'm going to unlock this one so that it's available for us to do some work in. Now, we've got these, now we go, oh, you know what, I don't want these password protected anymore. That's all good. So we go down to password protection, and we can either lock it, we can lock all of the padlocks, we can change the password, or we can remove it. So let's remove it. It will ask you again for the password just to make sure it is you in there. We're going to do it again for the second section, and then everything will be back to normal. It's taking a little while, isn't it? There it is. If we remove this one, we'll type in the password. It will remove that. And that's how you password protect and remove the protection from a section in your notebook. All done. Thanks for watching. Feel free to give me a thumbs up and a subscribe and a like. It really helps the channel.